You know that spice cabinet you haven't touched since the Great Pumpkin Pie experiment of 2016? Yeah, it's time we talked. This video might cause mild emotional damage to your paprika collection. Viewer discretion, and maybe a trash bag, is advised. Let's start with the obvious. Spices do expire. That crusty jar of dried basil that's more gray than green. It's not seasoning your food, it's just hanging out like a house guest who stopped being useful 3 years ago. If it smells like dust and regret, it's time to let it go. Why do we all own 3 jars of cumin? Like, who keeps buying cumin? Is it multiplying on its own? The case of the creeping cumin. Coming to your spice rack this fall. If you can't remember when you used it last, you probably don't need 5 of them. Just saying. If the label's worn off, the lid's rusted shut, and it smells like vague disappointment, you're not cooking with it. You're playing a game of roulette with your dinner. Yeah, nope. When your spice cabinet starts rebelling and launching jars at you, it's officially fighting back. You need space. And if your kitchen gear's taking over your counters, drawers, and possibly your sanity, a self-storage unit can give you breathing room, literally. Listen, I get it. That jar of chili powder reminds you of your cousin's wedding taco bar in 2008. But unless you're planning a reenactment, it's time to say goodbye. So go ahead, give that spice cabinet a glow up. And if you're short on space in the kitchen or your whole house, Arcos Storage has clean, secure units ready when you are. Visit arcosstorage.com and make room for what actually sparks joy.